Hi everyone, welcome to Foodie Vibes. Today we are making the famous cool drink Falouda. Okay, let's get started. In 500 ml of water, we'll mix 1 can of condensed milk and 300 gram of milk powder. Beat well until all creamy and keep aside. Next, I have bring to boil around 2 liters of water. As you can see, it is started to make little bubbles. Now we will pour the milk mixture and add around 75 gram of white sugar. Mix well and let boil. The boiling process here make the liquid to be more creamy in consistency. As the milk start boiling, we'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Mix well and switch off before the milk rises. We'll then let it cool down completely and refrigerate for at least 3 to 4 hours. Next, we'll prepare the jelly. In 2½ cup of water, add 10 gram of jelly powder and 30 gram of white sugar. Mix well and bring to boil. Keep mixing until all the powder dissolves completely. We'll then pour the jelly into bowls and add some color as per your preference. Like here, mine is green and red, and let it cool completely. As you can see here, the jelly has been set. So we'll grate it finely and keep aside. Next, here is the milk which has been chilled for 4 hours. To that we'll add 1 can of evaporated milk, which will give a more concentrated flavor and make it more thicker in consistency. Here I have washed and soaked around 2 tablespoons of basil seeds in 1 cup of water and let it sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes before serving. Finally, for serving, we'll place 1 tablespoon of the soaked basil seeds at the bottom, some grated jellies, little bit of syrup as per your preference, be it rose, strawberry, raspberry, almonds, any flavor. Then we'll pour the milk, and as you can see here, it is thick and creamy. And with a final touch of ice cream, and that's it, my way of making the tempting Falouda recipe, which is so creamy with a burst of flavor. Hope you have enjoyed my video. For more, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.